Good afternoon, YouTube. It is Sunday, March 10th, and it's time for another shop video. And although there's a lot of stuff on the bench, this week I want to talk about this desktop that's in front of you right here. Customer is one of my longtime clients and also a business that I do business with. And his wife actually was complaining that this machine was slow. This is her computer. I took a look at it and found the memory usage and the disk usage to be extremely high. So when I saw that, that was a red flag, and also that the hard drive light was running constantly, which is also a major red flag that there may be an issue with the hard drive starting to set up. And as you can see, this is an old school electromechanical hard drive, and those of you that have followed this channel for a while know that I've talked about hard drive failures more times than I can count on this channel. So what I wound up doing here was, this machine had, emphasis on the word had, 8 gigabytes of RAM in it. And I'm going to zoom in on the stick slots here, and you're going to see that I put 2 new RAM sticks in the machine for a total of 32 gigabytes. Yeah, we quadrupled the RAM in this machine. And also, I'm going to install an NVMe stick on this machine, which I do not have yet. I'm getting it tomorrow. After I get it installed, I'm going to clone this old hard drive over to the NVMe stick, which is going to cause not only a major speed increase, but the disk usage on this machine should drop significantly. And there's going to be a significant speed improvement here when this machine is done. I think that's going to be it for this video. As always, feel free to rate, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see everyone next time. See you all soon. Bye-bye.